Hi everyone, I'm Jen. I'm the owner of the Rookies Cookies. Welcome to my Valentine's Day cookie decorating tutorial. If you watched my holiday cookie decorating tutorial, a lot of the techniques I did there, we will be doing in this tutorial. So this should be a refresher for you. If not, sit back, enjoy, and let's have fun. A few items you'll need before you get started are a toothpick or scribe, scissors, and paper towels. The first technique we'll be doing today is called flooding. Flooding is when you apply a smooth layer of icing to cover the base of your cookie. When you have finished flooding the base of your cookie, take your toothpick and pop any bubbles that are visible on the surface. The next technique is wet on wet. This technique is achieved when you apply a second icing immediately after flooding your base layer while the base layer is still wet. This technique leaves you with a smooth, flat surface that incorporates the design. The third and final technique is called dragging. This technique is done in combination with the wet on wet technique and is achieved when you take your toothpick and gently drag the tip through the lines of colored icing while still wet. You can drag the toothpick through the lines in alternating directions or all in the same direction. Once you're finished dragging, the icing should settle into place, filling in the lines. You may need to, however, gently shake your cookie back and forth a little to get it to settle. If you have completed decorating your cookie and don't like how it looks, don't worry, we can fix it. Simply scrape off the icing with a flat tool and start over. Thank you everyone for joining. I hope you had fun and you learned some fun techniques. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on social media and be sure to tag me with your decorated cookies. I'm dying to see how they turned out. Happy Valentine's Day.